In this video, you are going to see how to insert the home symbol in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. To insert the home symbol, go to insert, go to icons, and let me write here home. And here you can select the icon from here and click on insert. If you want to change it color, just select it, go to graphics format, go to graphics fill, and you can change the fill color. You can increase its size and click on over here, go to wrap text and make it in front of text, so you can easily select it and you can move it anywhere in your Word document. Here I have another way. Go to insert, go to symbol, go to more symbol and select the font Webdings, and here you will see the home symbol. Select this one, click on insert. Here is the another one, click on this one and click on insert. So this is the another way to insert the home symbol in Microsoft Word document. But here we can apply another method. Go to any browser, write here home icon png and go to the flat icon, and here you will see various free icon. Let me select this one, go to download and select the PNG and click on free download. So I have the house icon over here. Now go to the Word document, go to insert, go to picture, this device, select the icon, click on insert. You can decrease its size, go to picture format, go to wrap text and go to in front of text, and you can place it anywhere in your Word document. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.